gonna show you a great 20-minute workout that you can do from the comfort of your own home, and the best part is it works almost every part of your body. Okay, the first exercise is deficit push-ups. Now I like to add height with 2 piles of books. Rach, I got your book right here. You're giving me a helping hand. So make 2 even piles, shoulder distance apart. Go up like you're doing a regular push-up and go deep down. Now I like to do 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. And once you're done with that, you're gonna move the books or a yoga block if you have right to the side, lay it all the way down for Supermans. Again, 4 sets, 10 to 15 reps. You're gonna go straight up, arms apart like Superman. Those are difficult, but they feel really good. Give yourself 30 seconds to a minute between every exercise we're doing today. And once you're done with that first group of exercises, then move on to your next superset. So what we're gonna do now is the closed grip push-up. Put your hands in a triangle position and go straight down. And you want to do 10 to 15 reps of each one. And if you need a modification, put those knees down. Okay, next we're gonna work the biceps. If you're in the comfort of your own home, you wanna grab something as simple as laundry detergent. And if you're in a hotel room, fill up an ice bucket. It has the same exact effect, and you're gonna get a really nice workout with that. So just put it right down and curl up. And squeeze your bicep as you pull up. And switch sides. Okay, and now we're gonna finish up the superset with squats. So grab your detergent or your ice bucket, hands on both sides, straight down, deep squat, and up, all the way down. And keep everything tight when you come back up. Squeeze your muscles. Good work. Remember, on this video, I'm doing every single grouping only 1 time through, but you guys are gonna do every group of exercises 4 times. That's gonna give you the best workout possible. All right, this is your last group of exercises, and we're gonna do a plank rotation and a reverse crunch. Now, the plank rotation is a bit difficult, so do as many as you can, and I promise you'll feel great. So what we're gonna do, get on your forearms, put your weight on your left side, and lift your arm up, all the way up, and go right through underneath your arm, so your forearm is on the ground. And again, do as many as you can. I like 10 to 15, but if it's a bit less, all that matters is you do it. And switch sides. Arm up, and arm through. Okay, those are difficult. Now you're gonna finish up with the reverse crunch. It's a great core workout. So what you wanna do is get on your back, lie straight down, put your hands to the side or slightly under your butt, and lift up. Up over your head, keep your legs straight, and come down. Nice and slow. 10 to 15. Work that core. And rest. To recap, we did 3 groups of exercises today. Make sure you do each group 4 times through. Give yourself about 30 seconds to a minute to rest in between. This is a great full body workout designed to hit most areas of your body. Let's get fit.